Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll teach you how to store leads locally. If you prefer not to use third-party email service providers, MailPoet is a great alternative. Simply download the free version of the MailPoet plugin and go to your WordPress site. Scroll down to Plugins and click on Add New, and click on the Upload Plugin button. Click Choose File and select the MailPoet zip file you just downloaded. Click Install Now, and next you'll need to go to Installed Plugins under Plugins, scroll down to the MailPoet plugin, and click Activate. Next, you'll need to return to your OptinMonster account, and in any campaign, you can go into your Integrations tab, add a new integration, and select MailPoet. Here, you'll have to add in your MailPoet account label, such as MailPoet Leads, and click Connect to MailPoet. Here, you'll need to save, and you can return to your WordPress plugin. Directly in your WordPress dashboard in the MailPoet tab, you'll be able to scroll down to Subscribers, and here you'll see your locally stored leads generated by your OptinMonster campaigns.
If you have any questions, please look through our helpful documentation. And for further assistance, you can always submit a support ticket and we'll be more than happy to help.